Baby growth standards, what parents need to know is the topic of the video. Baby height, baby weight, and baby milestones are something that most of all the parents worry about. Now, parenting comes with its own share of worries, and this becomes a major concern because everybody is comparing the growth of the child to those standards. And in this video, we are going to talk about understanding why these standards are not rules, they are just some guidelines, and we are talking about why they exist and how to use that for the benefit of our children and focus on our baby's unique growth journey. Hello people, my name is Kavita. I'm founder of the brand Tots and Moms, and here in this YouTube channel I make videos related to babies' health, growth, fitness, recipes, mom health and wellness as well. And I talk a lot about making healthy and unique choices for your children, which is close to nature. So today's video, as you saw, is about the growth standards, and let's start the video. What are growth standards? Now, growth charts and milestones were created to track average patterns of child development. They help doctors identify potential health issues early on. But remember, these are averages. I mean, they would have taken or researched on some 100 kids and then brought up these numbers, right? Now, every baby grows at their own pace, influenced by genetics, environment, and nutrition. Let's talk about height and what's normal. Now, babies grow rapidly in their first year, but the pace varies for sure. Some babies grow taller in spurts, while others take their own sweet time. And when should you visit a doctor? If the baby's growth suddenly stops or slows down drastically. If your baby is significantly below the growth chart, and the range is over multiple checkups, like you see that there is no nothing close to the standards. Now, otherwise, I would recommend trust your doctor's judgment. They measure height, they check proportions, and monitor overall development during every visit. Weight, it's just not numbers. Weight is one of its first things parents stress about, but it's important to know that weight fluctuates. Now, on our YouTube channel or on any influencer's video, I see that people are so worried about weight. Even strangers are worried, relatives are worried. Everybody keeps talking about it. Now, a baby might gain less during some months and more during others. Also, think about this. If your baby continued growing at the same pace as in the first 6 months or the first year, we would all be weighing 1,000 kilograms and standing 100 feet tall by adulthood. Now, growth naturally slows down, and that's perfectly normal. And yeah, let's talk about when to consult a doctor. If your baby loses weight or doesn't gain any weight over time, month on month when you check, if your baby seems unusually lethargic or isn't feeding well, doctors also look at weight in relation to height and head circumference to ensure overall health. Remember this, please. Milestones, celebrate, don't compare. Rolling over, crawling, walking, these milestones are exciting, but they don't come with a fixed timetable. Some babies walk at 9 months, others at 15 months, and both are perfectly fine. Visit a doctor if your baby misses multiple major milestones, like holding the head up and sitting without support. There are consistent signs of developmental delay. Even then you can visit a doctor. Your doctor knows the best. Remember this forever. During regular checkups, your doctor assesses much more than you realize. Head circumference to monitor brain growth, reflexes, movements, and responses to check neurological health. They make the child talk, and they assess every movement. Now general behavior and interaction levels are also measured. If your doctor says your baby is doing well, take a deep breath and trust them, because I see most mamas coming onto our page itself and asking, doctor said so, but I'm worried. Why are you worried if doctor said so? If doctor says your child is absolutely fine, child is fine. Strangers will tell you your baby is not fine. Your auntie, your relative want to mock you and keep telling you, advising you about your baby's health. They just want to share their opinions. You should stop bothering. Now, final tips. Focus on offering nutritious meals and age appropriate activities rather than chasing numbers. Avoid comparing your baby to others' kids. It's an unfair race. Remember that stress affects both you and your child. Enjoy the little moments instead of worrying about standards. As we rightly said, standards are standards, they are not rule or mandates. Now, each baby is beautifully unique. Growth standards are just one tool in the journey of parenting, not a measure of your baby's worth or yours. Yes, most of them start thinking that I am not right, I am not doing good to my child. Stop that, please. Trust your instincts, listen to your doctor, and cherish every milestone, no matter when it happens. I have a few video recommendations on this channel. Healthy fats for babies and kids, you can check that. Can I give my baby coconut water? You can check that as well. And as I said, I'm founder of this baby food brand called as Tots and Moms Foods, and we offer and manufacture in our factory at Mysore all the chemical free foods. We have a 99% woman unit, and all these foods are for everybody from baby to mommy. You can purchase products like cereals, porridge mixes, dry fruit mixes. For younger kids, we have drink mixes, pancake mixes, cookies, and for mamas, we have methi shakti powder. We have cookies for moms, calcium, iron, and folic cookies. These are amazing because everything is made from millet, jaggery, and for baby food, we do not add any preservative, chemical, or any form of sugar. Our products can be found on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, Big Basket, and if you can check out our website. For membership, you will get continuous points and you can redeem them as well. So you can check out our products on our website. So I'll see you soon in yet another video. I will wait for your feedback. Let me know how you like this video. Bye-bye.